In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Manor Lords on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to see more content like this. Now the next step will be quickly searching up this game at Steam before we can continue to another website to download this game legally. So what you need to do is go to the Steam website, quickly search up the game, don't waste too much time over here, and search for the game Manor Lords. After that, select the game, open the game page and scroll a little bit down. As you can see, there is currently a sale active on Steam and the game will cost €25.99. But don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself even more money on downloading games legitly online. So what you need to do is open the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage, and here we are going to search for the same game, Manor Lords. Select the game, search for it, and then select games on the left side and sort by price lowest first. Now once you have done that, you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work for you. Now once you have found a version, then select it and open the game page. Once you have opened the game page, you will find out that we can already download this game for just €12 compared to the Steam price of €25.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now, once you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!